What's up, everybody?
This reminds me of a Too Short hit. But I'm a little tall. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a 6'4" Impala. McCall. Sexy ass host so I can hear it from the